Hello, my name is Jianshi, and here's my parents and my young brother as today's audio for this speech. And today I will be demonstrate how to build a patio. This is something I'm interested in, and I think it can be important for making a home look nice. A patio can be add a lot of value to a home, and it can be a nice place to spend time with friends and family. A patio can be used to relax, and I think it can be a useful thing to learn how to do. It takes a lot of effort to build the patio, and I hope I can teach you the basic with the speech. The first thing you must do is build a plan for your patio. This may be the most difficult step because you must do everything very accurately. First, you must choose the shape and size of your patio. After you know the shape and the size you want, you will need to choose the type of brick you want to use. Bricks come into many different shapes, sizes, and colors, so this is the important part of building your patio. After you know which brick you want to use, you will have to calculate the amount of materials you will need. You will need 3 different materials to build the patio: the bricks, sand, and the clean rock. Under the brick, you will have 1 inch deep of sand and then 2 more inches of clean rock on the bottom. If you know the size of patio, then you can easily convert into the correct amount of sand and clean rock for this project. After you have the brick, the sand, and the clean rock, you are ready to start building the patio. After the plan is made, we can start digging a hole. This hole should be the same size as the patio, and it should be deep enough for 2 inches of clean rock and 1 inch of sand plus the height of the brick. This way, the brick will at the top of the ground. After you dig the hole, you must make sure it is very flat so the patio is proper. You can make sure it is flat with a tool called level, which is very common. You should make sure the dirt is level after you dig the hole. After this, you should put 2 inches of clean rock on the dirt, and this should also be flat. Then you should put 1 inch of sand on the top of rock and make sure it is flat too. After this, the brick can be placed on top. It should flat very well, but if it does not, you may need to cut the brick with a saw. This can be very difficult and dangerous, so someone should be careful when they do this. After all of the bricks fit into the way that you want them to, the patio is finished. Now that you know how to build a patio, I hope you consider it in the future. It can be very expensive to pay for all of the equipment and the materials for a patio, but I think it is worth it. Even if you do not want to build a patio, I hope you learned good information about how they are made. Thank you for listening.